tell y'all what I did. I accidentally flooded my whole kitchen over. Like, I don't even know how I did that. Well, I forgot I had the water on. Don't know how I forgot. And got in the shower. Got on the laptop for a minute. And then I got out the shower. Came back in the kitchen. And that whole kitchen is like flooded. So I know how it is living in projects. How like the floor be like weird. And the carpet be like weird. Well, that's what's going on. So I had to mop the floor. The kitchen floor looks really weird. Like you can like see like footprints. I put a paper bag down to try to catch some of the water. Like take all this stuff out and just mop the floor. So it won't look like that. It doesn't stink in here or anything, thank God. Cause y'all know how water makes stuff smell sometimes. But yeah, I'm gonna mop the floor. Just like, how did I do that? Like, I be having too much on my hair. Like, ugh. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Okay, I guess somebody else's stuff is leaking too, because baby, look at this. Look at this. This what is like living in the projects, baby. This is what it's like. Your cylinder be leaking. Your cylinder be leaking. And it'll be coming through. I think this is her bathroom. It'll be leaking. So, yeah, my stuff is messed up. This wasn't like this, so I've been complaining about this. I don't even gonna tell y'all how long I've been complaining about it. Ain't nobody came. Well, the man came, but then he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna come back." Ain't came back. I literally just put in a work order and told him that it's leaking again, and it's like literally coming down. This is a hazard. Like, what if the whole cylinder came in? This is super ghetto. This is what it's like living in the project, baby. This is what you get when you live in a project. So don't live in a project, y'all. I'm dead serious. Do not live in a project. But if that's the only thing you can get, then get it, honey. Because a place to live is a place to live. But yeah, this is what it's like living in a project. But yeah, y'all, this is what it's like living in projects. Like, what are you gonna do? I call them, I send emails. I'm just waiting on them to do what they gotta do. And matter of fact, I'm gonna email them again and call them again because
what that?
Yes, this is crazy. I'm about to email them again. This is gonna be my
What, we in the tub?
My third,
or in the bathroom?
This is gonna be my third
or in the toilet. That'd be worse, cause then we'll get stuck in the toilet.
Yeah, this is gonna be my third, fourth time
calling them or messaging.
Yes, exactly. So hopefully by Friday, the end of the week,
they'll come or they'll be done.
So,
yeah.
Anyways, that is what it's like living in a project, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see what it's like living in a project. The things you have to go through living in a project. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, make sure y'all like my channel, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know, do y'all live in a project? Have y'all ever lived in a project? And what it's like living in a project? Where you from? This is Chicago projects, honey. Okay, y'all, little update. So it ended up falling. The piece that was already hanging ended up like falling down on the curtain rod. So y'all literally had to call them, and they came within not even an hour. So I know they be getting my orders and stuff I be putting in. I know they be seeing stuff when I be calling, but it ended up falling. So the man came and he took that part down and said that somebody else is gonna come and fix the rest of it. So apparently the lady upstairs, her heater or whatnot is leaking. But this is gonna be an ongoing problem. It's cold outside. We live in Chicago. It's cold outside. So she is gonna be having her heat on. So I mean, I don't know what they're gonna do, because it's gonna keep leaking, because she's gonna keep having her heat on. I mean, I don't blame her. It's cold outside. But right now it's not leaking. It was leaking earlier. So yeah. And then this one has gotten worse from what I showed y'all. And then it's more coming. So I don't know what they're gonna do, but yeah, they were supposed to come today, but nobody comes, so I'm guessing they'll come tomorrow. We'll see. I'm gonna keep y'all posted and let y'all know what's going on, what's gonna happen and whatnot. This is what it's like living in the ghetto, the hood, the projects in Chicago. Okay, so y'all, just made me some iced coffee. I had me a bacon sandwich. So yes, y'all, I have to get out of school early today, so did not do too much this morning. I was supposed to clean up the closet, but I honestly do not feel well. It is so cold here in Chicago, y'all. The other day it was so cold they canceled school and everything, like, and they don't be canceling school. They do not be canceling school, honey, unless it's like really cold. And it was really cold, like really cold. Anyways, y'all, it hasn't really been snowing here. We've been getting a little snow, like nothing too crazy. Y'all know Chicago will go off with the snow. It ain't been nothing like that. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to go and get back from school. I don't think I'm cooking today, so I think I'm going to pick up something while we're out. Yeah.
Okay, just pour it on now. Like.
Okay, yeah, we back in the house. As y'all can see, I got us some J&J. Probably got chicken. I got her Italian beef. It's okay. What you think, though?
Let me taste. Let me do a taste test on the fries. Today I would do what? Chicken. Hold on.
Put sauce on it. They didn't put sauce on it, so
They just gave us.
they gave us enough sauce to put on it ourselves. But if I was happy, I am happy. And that's all that matters, right? Yeah. If you're happy, you might be happy.
pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.